Hi everyone, it's Julie again from Little Woolies, and we're into day 13 of our Vlogmas. So I'm going to open up all the colours that we've got in today's little parcels. I think I'll start with today. Oh, this is a nice one. Love that. I mean, they're all nice. I always say that every day. They're all beautiful. So mustards and yellows, a bit of pinks. Gorgeous. That's going to go with these ones. So we might be heading in a little bit of a different direction with the colours now, maybe. And there's the other dark ones. So yeah, what a beautiful array of colours. So next I will do Happy Hank. Day 13. So it's a nice rusty red colour. Sort of a little bit into the oranges, sort of into this sort of, gee, they're not really showing it very well on this, but anyway, they're lovely colours. It's a great addition to the big pile of beautiful wool that has come from Happy Hank. Lots of playing around there to do. Now I will do Woolen Works, day 13. Oh, that's nice. It's another lovely speckle from Chloe. This one's called Prism. So a bit of everything in there, I think. Very nice. That's going to go in this group. There's some of them. And here's the rest. Very nice. Next I will do Hedgehog, day 13. Hedgehog fibres. Oh, this is a nice, beautiful blues into pinks and some green. Oh, I like that one. It's beautiful. It's a really lovely one. It's lost its little tag. Oh, well, it's in there. This is, yeah, that's gorgeous. So here's some more of their ones. Lovely. Lots of beautiful wool in there as well to use up, or to do something with. I'll think of something to do that, to use that for. This one is James Makes Things 12 Days of Kitschmas. So it's up to his turn today. It's number 6 out of his box. So we're halfway there. Well, that's pretty too. Mauves and all sorts of goodies in that one. Beautiful. Look at the colours in these. Beautiful. Very stunning. They're going to be so fun to use. Yeah. Okay. So that's day 13 all opened. I think I haven't missed anyone, have I? Nope, that's everyone. So I thought I might show you, I haven't really got a very good picture of it though, but I'm going to show you these little birds that are a bird pattern. It's a free pattern in the Simply Crochet magazine on their online site. It was from a couple of years ago. So these little, very cute little Mexican sort of styled fiesta type birds. Unfortunately, I haven't got any finished ones yet. I just found a box with all these, my half finished things. So I thought, oh yeah, I must finish those. So I thought I'd share them anyway. So this is, and they have a little beak here and an eye on here. They're very cute. There's another one, different colorways. So you can use up all sorts of different colors. I do them very bright, but you can do them more. Here's one that's got an eye on it at least. That one's got an eye. So you make this, that you make two halves. So this is the, obviously the front of the bird. And then you make a plain back and single crochet around them, join them together, and they become a really nice little ornament to hang on the Christmas tree or wherever you like. It's a really cute pattern. A little bit fiddly with all the different colour changes, but it's worth it. You end up with like tons of ends, but I never bother weaving them in because you just stuff your ornament with them, so they come. There's no problem with that. So yeah, I must finish these, guys. Get these done for Christmas, maybe this year, maybe next year. Who knows? We'll see. Knowing me, I would like to make some more of them though, because they do look really good on the tree, all the different colours, and just takes little scraps of 4-ply. So yeah, that's a fun one to do. So yeah, I'll put a link. Put a link for that one. I tried to print it off just before, but it was like printing really wide and it wasn't centering properly. So it's probably easier just to get on there and take screenshots or something of it to get the pattern. Anyway, yeah, that's another day down. Tomorrow will be day 14, and we're starting to get to the pointy end of the Vlogmas. And I'll be back tomorrow to see what we have for day 14. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.